Grow better veg this winter, the natural way. Companion planting is the trick to healthier plants, fewer pests, and better harvests. We're talking broccoli, cabbage, carrots, kale, and lettuce. 5 winter winners, and they plant buddies. Broccoli loves celery, onions, and rosemary. These helpers keep whiteflies and cabbage loopers at bay. 2 of broccoli's worst enemies. Stay clear of planting beans nearby though. They hog the space and crowd things out. Cabbage pairs well with carrots, sage, and thyme. These herbs draw in beneficial insects that help manage aphids and cabbage loopers. It's best not to plant cabbage near strawberries or other brassicas. Too many of the same family can invite trouble. Carrots team up with spring onions and leeks. Their strong scents help mask carrots from pesky carrot fly. Skip the beets in this bed. Root veggies compete for space and nutrients. Kale gets along with beetroot and calendulas. Calendulas act as decoys for aphids and cabbage moths, keeping kale safe. And they attract beneficial insects that prey on kale pests. And finally, lettuce teams well with chives, garlic, and beetroot. They help repel slugs and aphids, which adore tender lettuce leaves. Keep parsley away from your lettuce bed as it can take over. As always, mulch your veggie seedlings after planting. It goes a long way in protecting the roots. Find your winter veg garden essentials at your local GCA garden centre. Visit lifeasagarden.co.za to find one near you.